Residents of Sekondi Takrady woke up this morning to hear and to see pictures all over social media about the total destruction of the controversial Akufo Addo statue located here at Sekondi. You will recall that on December 16, 2024, this statue was partially attacked when the calf was destroyed, and then it's got to be repaired. But before that, you will also recall that residents here and indeed all across the region have not been happy about this statue being put up here, especially when even the road where it is being situated is not complete. And many residents in the Western region too were unhappy about the fact that Western region seems to be shortchanged when it comes to development, infrastructure development, what have you, even though it contributes so much to the national kitty. Well, so when we came here, we realized that the statue is totally destroyed. This cannot be repaired. If anything at all, it has to be replaced. You find the head of the statue here. I don't want to touch it because even though we came to meet the CID regional boss here and some police personnel doing investigations, still I don't want to touch it for whatever purposes. But the head is here. You can also see part of the hand and part of the shoulder over here. They are all scattered, but it looks like some parts have also been taken away to perhaps prevent it being put together. But this is it. And many people are tripping around to ascertain whether this has actually happened. You will also see that vehicles that are using this route slow down when they reach here to actually have a look. But interestingly, even though there was a clamor for this statue to be removed when it was initially put up, many people are not happy about how it has been destroyed. They were rather looking at it being perhaps relocated. They feel that this is wrong. I have been interacting with some of the residents. Many of them are happy, but there are others who are also saying that this is wrong.
It's an appearance news the way we will also came on you that I didn't have the banner will I am out. Madam, I am out because remember when the protest now where you're funny, that so many doesn't know her. Madam, Mamma, you are there. Yeah, President Odin Kabe, Kano, not there, and Kawadin in Bessie, you got to them. Yes, I am an adult.
I don't know, I'm your pa, or I could find why I
but I start to face don't be so Mr. It's not right. A certain president, and what they late president are not former been a day in Sinti say, how come this mama so bad? Why, but you know, so can no solely and start today, so I am fine. And they do come on, no.